AweEraser is a secure Mac data eraser. It can securely and permanently erase data from hard drive storage media, permanently delete Mac files, wipe hard drive, and erase already deleted data under macOS. It also offers tools to help you batch remove applications on your Mac and clean up browsers' histories, caches, privacy, etc. We know that the deleted or formatted data can be recovered by data recovery software. So, if you are going to sell, donate or give away your Mac, USB, digital camera, you should make sure your private data has been permanently erased rather than just deleting the files, emptying trash bin or formatting the device. AweEraser for Mac offers government and military level data erasure standards to ensure permanently destroying the targeted data without affecting the operating life of your computer or device. The certified data erasure methods include HMG InfoSec Standard 5, German FOFIS. WebSnapperPro lets you capture full web pages exactly as they appear in your browser, with a single mouse click, without the need to stitch or cut and paste. Save the page as an image file or as vector-based PDF. You can print the page, send it as an email attachment, send it to Evernote, or export it to your Dropbox account, right from the WebSnapperPro interface. Hedge enables the user to make multiple backup copies of their camera media and have those copies fully verified. This Mac-only application will automatically detect any drives you have mounted to your computer, showing up in the middle of the interface. You drag your source over to the left column and your destinations to the right column and then hit Start Transfer. Create as many copies as you need. At the same time, Hedge transfers multiple sources to all destinations, fully utilizing your bandwidth. As files get bigger and bigger, old copy verify methods just aren't cutting it. Hedge's fast lane engine is purposely built for speed. Magoshare Data Recovery is the easy-to-use yet powerful data recovery software. It can easily and completely recover lost files from hard drive, USB flash drive, memory card, easily recover deleted files due to accidental deletion, emptying trash bin, command and delete, permanent deletion, etc. Mac Formatted Recovery will completely recover lost data from erased, formatted, reformatted Mac hard drive, or external storage device. Raw Recovery for Mac securely recover raw data, recover inaccessible, damaged data from HDD SSD, and external storage media device. Detect and delete duplicates. Locate and remove duplicate files, even if they are in remote corners of your system. Gemini 2 scans your whole disk speed of light fast, no matter how massive it is. dig through scan results and hand-pick the files to erase. Or better, let Smart Select do all the work. Just like duplicates, similars are space wasters. Now, Gemini 2 is after them. Spot files that look alike, see how they differ, and delete those you don't need, because you have better use for all the space they occupy. Gemini is smart. It easily tells copies from originals. It knows which files to keep intact. But the best thing is that it learns to select duplicates the way you do. Gemini's algorithm remembers what you delete and what you choose to keep. It's like an apprentice you are training. Deliveries helps you keep track of all your packages, so you always know when they are going to arrive. Whether it's the latest gadget you've created online, or a new graphic novel you can't wait to dive into, Deliveries will keep tabs on it so you don't miss the doorbell. SnapNDrap Pro is screen capture made ridiculously easy. Here is an app you didn't know you need until you try it. SnapNDrap maintains a library of all the screenshots you have ever taken. Think of it as iPhoto for screenshots. You can organize by folders. You can batch rename items. You can type into the search field and get live updates in the browser. SnapNDrap maintains its own trash so you undo or delete if you need to. SnapNDrap makes taking screenshots super easy. Click, select and the screenshot is added to your library. SoundSource superior sound control. Change the volume and output device for individual apps. Adjust your Mac's audio device settings and levels instantly, from anywhere. Even apply built-in and third-party audio effects to any audio on your Mac. It's all possible right from your menu bar, with SoundSource. This is truly powerful audio control. Find any file can find files that Spotlight doesn't. For example, those inside bundles and packages, and inside system folders that are usually excluded from Spotlight search. Contrary to Spotlight, it does not use a database but instead searches the data on disk directly. This lets you search for file properties such as name, creation and modification dates, file size, even plain text inside files. You can even search on disks that are not indexed by Spotlight, including server volumes. Flux is a cross-platform computer program that adjusts a display's color temperature according to location and time of day, offering functional respite for the eyes. The program is designed to reduce eye strain during nighttime use, helping to reduce disruption of sleep patterns.